Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. I'm Satakshi and I'm your English faculty at iExamB. And in this video, we will see some last minute tips for NICL Assistant Prelims, and this exam is on 2nd March. So let us see some of the tips that you must take care of while even in these last days, and also while you are appearing for the exam, right? So firstly friends, let me tell you a very good news that you will be getting 50% discount on all our courses. We are running a sale, exam excellence sale, and because we have completed 750 plus selections in past 2 years only, right? So for more information on any of the course, you can call us on the number given on the screen or visit our website iexamb.com. Now friends, this will be the pattern of the exam which you will give on 2nd March. And in NICL assistant examination, prelims particularly, don't forget that the clock is ticking. You have a time in hand, so and you have to finish all the questions within that time, so you do not have to stop, right? That is, don't get stuck anywhere. If you feel that you're stuck, you just cannot afford to lose time. Move forward and you can come back to that thing later, right? Now friends, these are the important areas in quants DI, in English RC, and in reasoning puzzles. Important areas because they carry a lot of weightage, and students also fear these areas, right? So don't fear these areas, you have to master them. I'll tell you very quickly that just by keeping in mind few things, how can you master these areas and fetch maximum marks from these kind of questions. Now friends, we know that these questions, particularly written on your screen, come in sets. All right, now when I talk about these set based questions in quants, in DI, suppose 5 questions are there. Out of those 5, 4 questions will be that you can solve using shortcut tricks, but 1 or 2 maybe questions which require maximum calculation. Skip those questions where a lot of calculation is required. Those are given actually to eat your time, right? So skip those questions, be smart. When I talk about English, there are, RC is the particular area where, again, questions come in set. And the question can be from the areas where you have to verify certain statements, right? Now, if those given statement, if it is only 1 or 2 statements or 3 statements that need to be verified, always start with the lowest number of statements that you have to verify in a particular question. So suppose in a question 4 or 5 statements are given for which you have to verify its truth, right? So make sure you attempt it in the end, because in that case you will have to check the passage and the veracity of the truthfulness of the statement so many times, 5 times from the passage. It will take your 5 times more time in solving one question, right? So make sure that wherever you've been asked, wherever it is required to verify multiple statements, you will either skip that or attempt it once all your other questions are done, right? In reasoning, puzzles are there mostly if you are able to reach to one answer of the puzzle, one sequence or the correct order you have in place, then you can easily you will be able to attempt all the questions. But in case if you feel you are stuck somewhere, skip one, it is okay, and move forward. Now, how can you master prelims? Firstly, always try to use your options to reach to an answer, and also you can eliminate certain options because sometimes options become very obvious that okay, this cannot be the answer, right? So in this way, whether you are solving reasoning, English or quants, try to eliminate as many options as possible first, right? And then once you have narrowed down your answers or your options to 2 or 3, then I'm coming to the second point, make intelligent guesses, right? It is not at all advisable that if you are not able to reduce your options, probable options to at least 2 or 3, then without doing that, you are making guesses that will be very wrong, right? So only make guesses when you are able to reduce your options to 2 or 3. Having said this, it is very important that your accuracy is good, but then sometimes it happens that we have to make some guesses, so always remember, make intelligent guesses. Then friends, practice mock test at iExamB. Whenever you will visit our website, you will see that there are so many mocks that you can practice, and you only have to spend the B coins that you will earn by spending more time on our website, right? So practice as many mocks as possible each day. Practice 2 to 3 mock tests, right? Now solve these first. Remember, solve word exchange, sentence rearrangement, fillers, error detection, idioms, etc., right? In word exchange, sentence rearrangement, and also in match the columns, right? Remember these patterns, you can reach to the answer from the options only, right? So try to arrange the given parts in the order as given in the options, and then whatever order seems fine, that will be your answer, right? Fillers, error detection, idioms, right? Idioms we tend to leave for the end. It is a reminder, learn idioms now. This is the time to learn idioms. Many students make mistakes and get negative marking because they put a wrong guess for the meaning of an idiom, right? Then next is quants. For quants, simplification if you get in your exam, because these days simplifications they are avoiding, right? But if you get, solve this first, solve quadratic equation, solve number series definitely, and then move on to more difficult kind of questions, right? So again, a reminder to learn shortcut tricks, right? Because if you have not learned them till now, just make sure that you know and you learn some shortcut tricks, right? They are there in our course, but if you don't have any course, Google for these tricks and you will find them somewhere, right? Now, in reasoning, direction, data sufficiency, inequalities, blood relation, these are the questions that you must do because they are very small and quick to solve, right? In the end, you may always do puzzles, right? This is all for the video, friends. Follow these tips and I'm sure you will excel in your NICL Assistant Prelims examination. All the best to you. If you have any doubt, you can anytime connect with us, and our counseling team can guide you that how you can master, how you can do well in your current exam. Please subscribe to our channel. If you have not, please press the bell icon to continue to receive the updates of the videos we bring for you.